In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Kanban board to Miro. If you're looking to streamline your project management or visualize your work processes better, integrating a Kanban board can be a terrific solution. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily set this up in Miro. First things first, you'll want to head over to Miro.com. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, simply click on the login button. You have the option of logging in using your email or, if you prefer, your Google account. Choose what works best for you. For now, I'll demonstrate logging in via email. Once you've entered your credentials, just click on continue with email. Now that you're logged in and on your Miro dashboard, the next step is to find the Kanban template. To do this, look for the Explore Templates option. It should be located somewhere on your dashboard, typically in a section where Miro offers different tools and templates to help get you started. Click on that and you'll be directed to a wide array of ready-to-use templates designed to assist with various workflows and projects. Once you're in the templates section, use the search function to find Kanban. This will help you quickly locate the specific template we're interested in today amid the many options available. When the Kanban template appears in your search results, go ahead and select it. You'll usually find a Use Template button. Give that a click. This action will initiate setting up your own Kanban board. Now comes the part where you get to customize your board to suit your unique project requirements. Start by renaming the template to something that reflects the goal or scope of your board. This helps keep your workspace organized and easily identifiable, especially if you manage multiple boards within Miro. Now let's talk about customizing the fields. Miro offers flexibility, allowing you to tailor the columns and fields according to the stages of your workflow. You can rename the columns, add or remove them as needed, and input data specific to your tasks. This customization ensures the Kanban board aligns perfectly with your workflow, giving you or your team a visual representation of task progress. And there you have it, a personalized Kanban board set up in Miro, ready to help you visualize and manage your projects efficiently. Remember, Miro's power lies in its simplicity and flexibility, so feel free to continue tweaking and adapting your board as your project evolves. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Miro's resource pages or reach out for help. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.